Welcome aboard, everyone.
What exactly is ALGOBOX, and why do our traders absolutely love it?
Michael Othrew. Just one. Are you ready indeed? Let's get going for the afternoon session. Up 23,000. 25K is within striking distance. Let's get in here. Great morning session. Those of you guys who were here with me, it was a good time there this morning. Rolled through 2 hours, did 20K, $10,000 an hour on a early morning cluster day. But there was extra speed. Did y'all notice the extra speed that was there today that made things even easier? Yes. And we're off of all-time highs. One of my favorite maps. So this is like when you're playing Battlefield and you get me on Caspian border, I'm going to destroy you. You know what I'm saying? This is Caspian border for markets right about now for me. This is one of my favorite types of maps to play. When the market's setting up like this, we got levels above us, levels below us. Traps are going to be working now here in the afternoon, looks like. A little concerned with the fact that some of these might be bigger movers. We might get a big move in some direction or whatnot. Don't want to get caught off sides. And try to maintain the idea of pushing plays in the direction of the MACV Ultimate, which is the nerd. What is the nerd? NERD, for the new folks who are coming in with us here today. NERD is... For me, I invented this myself. I'm so clever. NASDAQ, ES, RTY, and the Dow. So we want to see all four of these correlated instruments right over here on the MACV Ultimate indicator that we've got created for you there inside of the Discord channel chat, inside of our community in Discord. Free for everyone. Even if you don't have ALGOBOX, you might want to come hang out. All right. What's our time? 2:32. I'm a couple minutes late.
Double delta EM on the one.
As usual. All right, ready up number one. We are neutral though, so I'm not necessarily ready to put a finger to the trigger yet. Looks like we're headed up though, just from this. We've got a W pattern showing. Don't trade against the W. That looks like a nasty trap. And we could be pulling all the way up, even above that area there. So my default direction is going to be to the long side right about now. For the Dow, anyway. Look for some ALGOBOX play setups. If you missed yesterday's live stream, yesterday was Mentorship Monday, where we do lots of teaching and training. I spent some extra time yesterday. You are going to want to check that one out. Some major teachings in there, regardless of whether you're using ALGOBOX or not. Understanding markets, why you play things the way that you should play them, why things that you would think work are not working for you if you are not using ALGOBOX, etc. Sizing on your plays and your practice. Talked about that extensively. All right, I got a super AO here. I'm going to go ahead and take a stab at this one. Oh, I'm too small. Hold on a second.
Double delta EM on the 2.
All right, gonna use my spread stack button there. So Super AO is the play going against the Red MACV as of right now. But I think that happened because the NQ is forming a what looks like could be a nasty trap. I may this afternoon switch over to NQ depending on the speed. Which is common. I'd rather play the NASDAQ in the afternoon generally, just due to the fact that you kind of want to speed things up a little bit. I need to turn that down a bit. I can tell the music is louder than normal. Sorry about that. Can you guys hear me okay? Has the mic been okay? Check 1, check 2. Compared to the music.
Target filled. Target filled. Target filled. Target filled.
All right, I'll leave 2 runners on here and see if it's got any more juice to it. Back to neutral. Get there. $20 ticks. I'm happy with 20. But if she's going to give me more, I'll take it. Cross, 25, 26. All right, I'll close her right there. 23,855 on a Super AO. Let's mark it up. Because especially that one right there, one of my favorites. Super AO, Super Alpha Omega. And of course, a little reading in on that, what was potentially happening in that little area there. Is that the open line? Yeah, so we're right here in front of the open, so gotta be careful. Let's see what happens here. We're still, we're entering really solid into the flat zone here. That's why the coloring coming in again, back in the flat. All right, what's our time? 2:39. Remember, we still have space. I'm really watching this here. We get up in there. Again, do you see the W? If you see the W, type W in the chat. If you don't know what I'm talking about, type a 2. And if you know my theory around that, where I say don't trade against the W, right? Let her finish out and go. See that W, right? Because you're always like, well, does it come back down there? Or, I just don't trade against it. Just in general. Now, anything can change on any given day. But in general, that is something I have found. An experience thing. Let me get the chat popped out over here. While I'm grabbing the chat, do me a favor and smash that like button while I'm maintaining the live stream. You guys help me out there. 40K, you think so, Project Benoit? I mean, anything's possible. Where's the live chat? Can I get the live chat button, please? Where's the live chat? Oh, why is it doing that thing again? Okay, super chat. Bring it back. And here we go. Okay. Think I got her sorted now. All right, gonna grab this Mike Sports Dumbass Special. Is he special? Almost. We're within striking distance of 25K here. Mike Schwartz Dumbass Special. All right. Wait for it. Wait for it. And I'll sell that last one right there. Oh my goodness, I missed it by $100. $80 to 25K. So what is the Mike Schwartz Dumbass Special? Well, first of all, we know Mike Schwartz is a dumbass. But he did notice this when he was smart enough to have been with ALGOBOX and decided to not run his mouth. At that time, he thought, hey, you know what I see? When I see a big number, can't be like just a 10 or something, but got a big number almost around the 15s, followed by a subsequent smaller number, it tends to reverse. And that tendency was noted, and he was right about that. You know, broken clock is right twice a day. But
on the one.
Yeah. There you go. So I am now $80 away. $80 away from 25K on the day. Let's go. All right. Ooh, here we go. About to get spicy. Right above. I'm going to take this as a double cross, double move. And target up there at the gold line. Hopefully should be enough to get me there. We break the double crosses. I'll have to reassert here. Currently neutral. $80 to get there officially. Double cross, double move on the docket. Yeah, I thought he was too. That's what I mean. Like, dude, it's total ego. It's total ego. I literally even let him back. Like, look, let's square it up. We had good chats. Everything was cool. and he's just a fool. I don't know. I can't. Yeah, like one thing I have, resonated. Two things actually, because I used to say you can't fix stupid. Okay, well that's one thing, but I've also found out you can't fix ego. You can't fix ego on anybody either. A little ego thing, and I think his money got to his head. He's got, and I don't mean from trading. The guy's trading micro lots. Okay, he ain't making money, big money trading, but he's, he was bragging to me making $15,000 from his Apex shilling. That's pretty cool. I mean, I think the Apex is great. Didn't know like you're banking that well. Holy shnikes. So I guess all of those O faces and all of his he didn't how long's it been that he didn't install it yet? It's, again, this is what I've said before, when there's no pressure, weird, right? Weird. That's what I said. Like, that's what I mean by like, that's dumb. That's just dumb. But whatever.
Fib.em on the 1.
Egos and dummies. Can't fix them. Uh-oh. Just turned into a headshot. That's a headshot short. Are we neutral to red? We are. So I might have been wrong here on this one. Let's see. See if they fake it down. Give me a little bear trap there. Bear trap and push would be cool. Oh, bro, that's such a zinger. Make 15K each every month, but you can make 15K in one day with ALGOBOX. Oh, bro. Oh, that's a good one. I have to remember that one. Right here at this open line, does it want to go negative on the day? Is that what they want to do here? Going for the DCDM here. Excuse me. So you can see that target kind of in there, buried-ish. But I like to hear that popcorn, baby. Popcorn time. Popcorn. Pop it up for daddy. Let's go.
Fib.em on the 1.
Alright, I'll peel some off there. Red dotted. Got red dotted. Peeled 4 off there. Quarter position. 30K's easy now? Maybe. I'm going to count my chickens, so I want to jinx myself. Let's see if we get a piercer there. Respecting the red dot. All right, I'm going to grab 25K here. I don't know what's happening there. I'm going to keep my 25K. The NQ is dive bombing. Let me look to see what we've got here. NQ and the Dow. Opposite ends of each other here. What's the time? 2:50. And now 3 down. So is the Dow the only one up? Interesting. So the nerd is saying 3 out of 4 are down. NQ is blasting down. Look. Way down here. So let's see. Watch this unwrapping here. All right, don't forget, we need our 50 likes. We got more than that hanging out. Smash that like button. If you're one of the few still hanging out here and hadn't hit that like button, let's do it. Mr. Manigold, how you doing, brother? Blessings, sir.
Fib.em on the 1.
All right, green dot. Respected. But remember, we are now red side. 3 out of 4 nerds agree. 3 out of 4 nerds agree that we are. So we looking for a short? I mean, we're right here at the open line. I mean, they are. Oh, we're playing here. Definitely playing. Yeah, if it's a 3 wise men, then we need to get short, don't we? Does everybody know that? If you know that the 3 wise men, if you count this as 3 wise men, remember it's a double cross. This kind of counts as 1. But let's say that you did. If you're saying this one, so 1, 2, and 3. 3 wise men, they're at the top. We talked about this in the advanced level crossings, where if they're at the top, then we're coming down when we're at a major level, right? If they're at the bottom, then we're looking for the long, right? So they are at the top. We should be looking for that short originator, right? So we just need to wait for the setup to come and say, hey, I'm here to party. WM. Oh, Nomads is here. The myth, the man, the legend, the trading nomad himself, streaming live nightly between. What's the stream schedule thing you guys are doing? You guys have like an official time now on that thing? What are y'all doing? 7 p.m. till bar closing Eastern time. 7 p.m. Eastern on YouTube. Day Trading Nomads. Give them a follow. Go hang out with the crew in the evenings with the Nomads. All right, creeper crawlers, 2:56, 4 minutes till the top of the hour. We'll see what the final hour brings. Currently, 3 out of 4 nerds agree it's short. Okay, let's see how we react to the cipher. I don't like it right here at this open line. Oh no, bro. Flight of stairs wrecked your back. Oh no, bro. No, man. Oh, well, I hope you're doing alright, man. Sorry to hear that, Brad. You're a tough cookie, though, bro. Anybody could take it. It's you.
Fib.em on the 1.
Okay, we got a headshot here. May as well give it a shot here. Headshot, bottom cipher. Don't like the fact that we are cracking under here, but let's see here. Not getting crazy on this. I got a quarter position here. I'll stick it underneath the dot. Headshot long, cipher right above as well. See if this is a fake downerinator. I knew I should have gotten long on that in queue. I wanted to do it so bad, and I got chickened out. It was grindy down there. I should have gone for it. Easy upper, overdone, straight leg down. Way to not go, Vinny. SCR where? Oh, these two? That's a pretty good distance. I usually don't think of an SCR. Usually they're closer together than that, but I know what you're saying. See what you're saying there. All right, gonna close it. Trade's not worth the risk. We are red side here, and didn't get a perfect entry to begin with. I am going to keep kicking myself for not holding that. I mean, look at this. Let's see how many ticks I ended up going on that. Control E. Ah, dude, I could have had it. Could have had it. 51 ticks. I missed out on that. There's my 30K right there. Chickened out. Today is just too easy. I've become accustomed to having to try very hard. Last week was literally an AOC 5 days in a row.
Along on the RTY 4.
To fight for every... I don't know, not really. I mean, we hit some pretty big days. Gymnastics down the stairs is sketchy. You guys crack me up.
Double delta NQ.
Remember, we're down here on the ones. This was against favorable direction, and headshot still yielded 20 ticks. So 20 ticks on the headshot. And remember, this is programmed on the lowest time frames by itself with nothing else, is programmed for 10-15, right? Off the ones. Just in case anybody was wondering what we're talking about there. What's he saying? All right, we are red. Ooh, more crosses at the open line. My goodness. Up 3509 today. So there's EBOT on the NQ1s. Awesome. Level 3 continuous short. Having a fantastic day. Beautiful, sir. Beautiful. Yeah, I gotta love that Enigma. You got the bot rolling with a bot for the entries as well. Even more beautiful. I feel like I was gonna ask you a question. What was my question I had? Oh, I think to everybody. If you guys want to tell me, type it out there in the chat. Let's share P&Ls. Shall we share P&Ls? You're inside our Discord room. You're getting like the full stats, but out here on, you know, the candy land of YouTube, drop it there in the YouTube channel if you want to share with everybody. Like, where are you at on the day? You red? You green? How are we doing? Has the stream helped you guys today? Has it been distracting? I've heard that with the people that like don't come streams are like, oh man, I want to just I just need to concentrate and you know, blah 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 blah. I get you. I totally get you. Got to focus on the chart art. And depending on where you're at in the world, you know, there are a few seconds delay. It's not me. I didn't set in the delay. It's YouTube. Seconds delay there. I've tried to set it to instant response, but they don't let you do that for 4K. So I'd either have to reduce the quality and not do 4K, which I don't think anybody wants that. You can't see things as clear when you're using multi-chart and all that other kind of stuff. So 4K is still the best option in my opinion, as far as that goes. So we're in the flat, so hands off the trigger here.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
Sitting on the open line and on the flat. My goodness. Streams wonder we'll see it's not like day after day to begin killing it. I feel myself getting better. Like, but it's not just me, because I was trying to put it together recently with my numbers, and it is I mean, it's a combination of things. I think I am getting better with it, and particularly the AOC has been a literally, like, you cannot understate how powerful having the AOC, being able to determine the AOC, to know when my tough day is going to be there, and then the other days I can just play. Plus the ready DD. You cannot understate the power of the ready DD. The fact that we now have supers. Like, don't know how to describe how awesome it is, but it's awesome. All right, that's all I can say. It's awesome.
DCDMEM on the 1.
Oh my goodness, look at the collection of stars here. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
JHook short NQ on the 3.
We're about to have a party. Can you see it? Let's see if we get out of this flat zone, please. Bottom of the channel. Let's see if this is gonna be the break. Yeah, decent move is incoming. I have to imagine it is. I mean, that is a massive collection of crosses. Am I right? I think we're coming down, but I think the Dow is the last one hanging on. I'm ready for it. I'm ready. There we go. Okay, crack that shark. Crack the shark. Crack the shark for me. No, 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 not yet. Oh, okay, hold up. That's a big set. That could have been retail, pressing the short button there. Okay, got this AO. We got a super AO on NQ. You know it's my favorite. My favorite today. Be the one.
Enigma short
Be the one. Yes. Oh, closing it out on a 19.3. No, thank you. Okay. So try to get clever with it. I thought I was going to keep going. 19.3. Yeah. I'll take the exit on that one. Find me the hatch and let me pull it, please. Thank you very much. Okay. Got a bounce on the super AO. Let's mark it. F12. Super AO. Gotta love it. Okay, here we go. Finally he gets along with it. Let me get these out of the way. Gonna go naked here. And go nunsies. Yeah, today does feel like candy. I don't know if I'd say again. When was the last one? Oh, we have not. I don't think it's been. I mean, we've had big numbers, but it has not been candy. I think it's been difficult recently. Just the speed, the clusterings, been work. Today has been, yes, much easier. So remember, on the W, it did exactly what I said, right? I said, let's see it come all the way up, get that full touch, and then we'll look, right? Go enough. And they collected enough contracts up there to give us the swoosh. Wish I would have gotten short back here, but what a shoulda couldas. All right, there's a 30K line. 30K is to the white line. Unless I can max it out a bit more.
Double delta E.
Oh, no, not the ready up. Okay, so that was 2 legs of selling in there, so they may trap them in first. Yeah, they're gonna trap them in. All right, peel half and close. All right, so the got a set they need to trap first.
Fib.em on the 1.
Playing greedy. On king timing. Should have pulled it. Classic. It's just a Fibella dot. Down. What's the time? I didn't look at it. 3:20. Okay. Re-entry point. Here's F6. There to there. What's the distance between these two? That is... It's 30 ticks. Okay. 30 ticks.
Fib.em on the
There's
1.
a double dot short. All right. See if I can re-engage my position here on the double dot short. Getting eat up on giving back.
Short on the
Giving back ticks here as we move our way down. It was a little bit trickier there. Should have been paying attention. Should have exited here, re-engaged here. That's what I should have done. Half, add. Half on, half off, add. Mistake.
Lower bands
Execution.
on the 25.
Improvement. Room for improvement. $30K on the day. Let's go.
DCDMEM on the 1.
Could get an SCR reversal right there. Oh, they slipped me. 29.20. Got to the 30K line. Very nice. No SCR. Okay, I'm gonna give it one more shot here. See if we're gonna drop out. If we're just gonna have a fallout. DCDM target 4430s. Didn't see an SCR here. Didn't come up, so I'll bang away at it.
Double Delta EM on the 2.
Oh boy.
Lower Delta EM on the 25.
$3.25. 5 minutes till, in this case today, what is it? It's not BTFD, it's STFU, right? Sell that up move. I should have put old half there. I was farting around looking over there at the took a peek at the chat. Also keeping an eye over there on NQ, see if it's going to give me anything juicy in case it decides to trap in here.
Lower bands touch EM on the 25.
They didn't fill my order. Rude. Rude dude with an attitude, and I'm not even trading crude.
Fib.em on the 1.
Oh no, headshot with a bat. Oh my goodness. Headshot, PRZ, cross. Might wreck me like a boss. Let it through. Come on, it's super sell here, bro. Be the one to break. Be the one to break. It is strong sell, and it is a cluster day. So do that thing you do and give me my 30K, bro. Give me my 30K. Do it. Yeah, exactly, Shibits. Break that headshot today. Don't. Spill it. Two minutes till the bottom of the hour. There we go. That's my 30K, baby. Close it. I want my 30K. Got my 30K. Locked it in.
Double delta RTY.
You saw it. No matter what happens, we did it. We did it. 30K on the day. Let's go. Come on. Oh, man, I sound like that idiot Mike Schwartz.
Let's go. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Hey, let's go. Got my micro mic.
Alrighty then. 30K. Curtis G. On the mic. Let's go. Oh. Feels good, brother. Oh, man, that feels good.
DCTMNQ on the 3.
You got this, baby. I know it's been crazy. You don't see me, it's exhausting. City to city, cause I'm shiny, boys is popping. You keep making plans, babe, I'm sorry, I keep flopping. Call me late at night, cause I love it when we talk. No matter where I go with you, not here, it's just not home. No, I can't let go without you near me.
How about that double dot play, eh? We hadn't seen a good double dot play in a while. Come on. That was hot. You know it was. That was an absolute beauty. Loved it. Got ourselves a little double dot action today.
Systems online. You have entered our virtual trading floor. Verifying your clearance and access levels. Access granted. You may proceed at your own risk. Welcome to Vinny's live chat room. I will now walk you through setup. Please be patient. Keep your eyes on the monitor and pay close attention to our visual walkthrough and audio guide software when the warning bell rings.
Take another risk, take a trade, take a shot for you. And I need you like a heart needs a beat. Something new. Yeah. You make it like a game now, winning every move, and you say follow and play.
Double delta EM on the 1.
It's too late.
Oh, yeah. Let's label up that double dot. Hadn't seen one in a while, baby. Got that double dot today.
Double delta EM on the 4.
That's a classic oldie goldie right there. Beautiful structure play. Even though, like I said, they were going to try to peel those guys off that got in right there. Right? They popped it up. Boom. Red dot, enter. Boom. Red dot, enter. Boom. Double dot for the play. Add to position on the SCR. The drop. The 30K. What a beautiful day.
25.
Oh. Oh. Oh, you gotta love that. That was tasty. Was that tasty to you? It was tasty to me. It was real tasty. Oh, so tasty.
I'm holding on your trades, got me 10 feet off the ground. ALGOBOX makes trading like a game. Join us now and see what can be found. ALGOBOX, you never miss the game.
Oh, so yummy. So yummy.
YM75.
ICT.
Speed of YM75.
ICT.
Vinny Emini, ALGOBOX, they're the kings of the trade. ICT, you a joke, your strategy's just a charade. Michael J, huddle stank, you ain't real, you're a fake.
Huddle stank.
I'm strategies.
Oh, it cracks me up every time.
Short on eating one.
Got the algorithms making money flip. ICT, your analysis is weak. Michael J, you ain't got the skills, just a trading cheat. We trading warriors, we the best in the game.
Lower bands touch him on the 25.
ALGOBOX, we bring the flame. ICT, Michael J, are just frauds on display.
Whoa. They disbelieved on the faith basis only that I was taking every single trade that I showed examples of. And normally, I do a pretty in-depth editing process.
A pretty in-depth editing process. I can't do it live. Then I wouldn't survive because I don't have ALGOBOX and I suck. But I tell everyone I'm the best. Just trust me, bro. Just trust me, bro. I'm the best.
No, sir, you're not. No.
DCDM on
Jesus loves you, but you're stupid. And you're disgusting. You're a scamming pig. Let's see. Yeah, Kazi's got a sweet... Look at that cool profile image he's got. Is that thing cool or what? Some ALGOBOX action.
DCDM on the 1. Fib.em on the
hot.
1.
What's our time? 3:35. You're telling me I still got time in the game? All right. We're averaging $10,000 an hour today. Is that crazy or what? Did 2 hours this morning for 20K. We're at an hour right now. So it's third hour, 30K. 10,000 an hour is not too bad, I don't think. Not too shabby. Not too shabby.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
Let's see. So we got through the easy section there. So what does Cadence tell us? So we just had the easies. So what's coming now, right? Now you got a little section of hard that you want to just kind of let float by, in my opinion. Okay? So now we got the easy. So what happens? Cadence, right? So what happens after a bunch of easies?
Fib.em on the 1.
Now we got some trickies, right? So I'm going to let the third tricky go by. And literally after 3 Enigma
Long NQ on the 3.
pops, I will then take the next one. So simple. See how simple it is? See my thought process there on that? At the easy section of cadence and what happens through cadence, go watch our cadence videos. You don't know about that? Go and into our documentation section and let's type in cadence. So let's pull up our trusty documentation. And let's go to our little search, ask our search here, and let's do cadence. Well, Vinny said something about cadence. Now you gotta learn how to spell it. Okay, cadence is tricky. All right, some people know how to spell that. C-A-D-E-N-C-E. All right, cadence. Oh, there's Enigma cadence. Oh, there's trade tracker cadence, market cadence. Now I'm specifically talking about both here. I'm talking about Enigma cadence and market cadence. I think you need to definitely check out market cadence first to kind of understand that there is a certain set of cadence to the markets. Let me zoom this down here a little bit. How to catch market cadence. What I'm talking about is the generalization of what I'm saying is here. Okay, understand the ebb and flow, and when you're hot and when you're not. You're hot, then you're not. You're hot, then you're not. It's a pretty simple concept to understand. It's like the ocean. Ocean doesn't just flow one direction. You got the ebb and flow, yes? So that's kind of my analogy on that. Coming back to the search here, Enigma cadence particularly. Let's go check out that. Oh, it's this Enigma cadence he's talking about. Okay, series of winners and losers. Nice little diagram here for you. Okay. Start trying 5 trades here. What does that mean? I just said a minute ago, right? I said I'm going to let, let's do a little yellow here. There we go, yellow. There we go. Okay, so I'll let 3 go by. I've already got 2 right now, right? This is what I'm currently sitting in. So I'll let 1 more go by so that cadence now jumps right back in my favor and I'll start trying here. Now, does that mean that this is going to be a winner? No. But let's say that it is. Now it's 4 in a row. Bro, the farther this goes without giving me one, the higher the likelihood. Now you're going to say, oh, your market's completely random. You're stupid. Your name is Shalom Benzev. You're a fucking moron. It's totally random. I read the book called Random Walk. Well, so did I, but I understood what it meant. You didn't. Low IQ. It's okay, bro. Now, we do this. And now we do this. You want to see the video on it? Scroll to the very bottom. So remember, I'm always looking for this on a general day. Not general, what am I saying? Just my SOP, standard operating procedure. I need this. Winner, winner, chicken dinner to put a chicken dinner on the table. That's the whole idea behind. I get 2 winners, enough to pay for chicken dinner for me and the family. Cool. I don't need the rest, but I can. Now it's looking for a bonus. Okay. I have said this many times. I do not tell you take 5 trades. I'm saying within 5 trades, get your 2 winners and get out. Because the cadence will not stay in your favor all day. Okay? The bull will eventually kill you. You're in the ring with the bull. We're coming in here. It's like getting in the ring with Mike Tyson. Dude, Mike Tyson is going to destroy you. And no, he didn't lose that last fight. Don't even get me started. Okay, that was not legit. If you think it is, you don't know anything.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
What is cadence? Go check that one out. Enigma cadence and auto Enigma cadence. Lots of good stuff around cadence. You can see it's kind of important. Kind of important topic, in my opinion. So, yeah, get through training and take some good notes. But even more important than notes, people are like, oh, I took great notes. Your notes don't mean anything.
Short on the NQ3.
Then you need practice time. Now you need to put the pedal to the metal. Okay. Now you've got to put some executions behind that. Lots of them. Which is why I say practice, practice, practice. Like a video game. Yeah, that last fight was so fake. Yeah. That was fake, man. So fake. They obviously had it planned out. But you could tell, like, you know, kudos to Tyson. He's a family man. You know, and he said, you know, at the end of the day, I remember I saw an interview where they were going through all his trophies and everything. He said, none of this means anything. It's weird. I feel sorry for him because, like, I don't believe that he is a Christian. I don't know that he has accepted Christ's gift. And yet, the philosophy that he took, he said, I can't take any of this stuff with me. We're all going to die dust to dust. And he's like, you know, can't take any of it with me. He said, but if I can pay the bills for my family, he said, family's everything. You know, that's what he has been given. He has, you know, he has his family. And I think he had a wake-up call at some point. I heard a really sad story. You know, one of his daughters died from playing around. You know, she had gone in her dad's workout gym at the house, and I don't know the full circumstances, so you guys correct me if I'm wrong, if I'm speaking out of turn here, if this is not the series of events that occurred, but she was playing on the treadmill, as I understand it, and very tragic accident occurred, and the little girl died. I don't know how old she was, but I imagine she's fairly, like, very young, I think. And just, you know, having 4 kids of my own, like, I don't even know what that would do to me. And I don't know if that was a moment for him or not. I think it would have been, you know, for me or most others. I bet it was. I know that had to, you know, that does something to you. But he has a different mindset on things now, and it's not ego, and I can appreciate that about him.
On the 25.
Speaking of appreciation, I just grabbed another 1700 off of a Super AO. Can we get some Super AO hype in the chat? Come on. Come on. Super AO right behind an Enigma. I had to grab some of that. I wish I would have grabbed more, but 1700 for 31,075 on
the one.
Yet another Super AO. And then I would say plus. I don't know why it doesn't let me do shift enter. I wish it let me do shift enter. Make 2 lines. I wanted to do 2 lines. Super AO plus.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
I'm going to have to do this. Now, as fast as that was going up, and it's in queue, I was again. That's that taking that shot. That was me, like, I'm taking a swing at Mike Tyson. All right, and then I'm popping out. All right, I'm not staying around. Speaking of, all right, so now I got another super Enigma here, but again, this is really moving up here and could be all traps here. Could be a concern. Let's see if she decides she's going to do her marching up thing. Yep, I'm closing it. Nope, I am keeping my 30K. I'm not playing around with you, bro. Not playing around. I'll watch this spot here, but gave some back there while I was farting around, but I like it. Super AO, Super Enigma. Come on, gotta give it a shot. You know what I mean? All right, we got a blue dot coming in here on the bottom. So what's our time? 3:45. So we've got the 350 algo coming. So I'm going to mark this spot. Okay, actually, I don't have to. It's a big pink line right here. So that big pink line right there, I'm going to make it fatter. Oops. Make it nice and juicy.
Double delta NQ on the 3.
So we come back through that area during the 350 algo, and might be a spot for a replay here around that 350 algo. We'll see what happens. And we're coming up here in now 4 minutes for the 350 algo. And woulda, shoulda, coulda. Wish I would have held that play because now it's coming down my way. Boo. All right. Again, see, this is where P&L and the extreme pressure, right? Because right now, it doesn't matter to me whether I make 25K or 30K, or if I make 20K or 25K, it's like, it's the same, right? But the stream, right? I mean, I want to be like, yeah, dude, 30K stream. So I have a mental pressure on me now to hold on to that. Otherwise, I would have held on to that position and worked that spot there, especially right before the 350 algo. Okay, so here we go. 3 minutes. I'm going to turn on the news to listen to the news chatter. Financial juice. Launch. Okay. So 350 algo can sometimes bring some wild child, you know. You know the drill.
Lower bands touch EM on the 25.
And on a day like today, it could get real wild.
Divergence of EM on the NQ on the 3.
Saudi Arabia offered Tyson $700 million to rematch Jake to KO him in under 3 minutes. Oh, he ought to make and take that deal. Oh, man, send me a link on that. Post it in our Discord chat. I'd like to see that one myself. That's pretty cool. Got to save that one for my my scrapbook. You know I'm kicking myself for not holding that, right? So that dropout is 61 tick dropout. Woulda, shoulda, coulda. All right, 348 and a half. So a minute and a half to the 350 wildness coming. All right, let me get my ATMs set and ready for the fun. Set to bigs.
One minute till we get the markets on closing balance.
1 minute.
Double delta EM on the 1.
10 seconds.
So markets on closing balance, the SP 500 a sell side of 334 million, NASDAQ 100 a buy side of 434 million, Dow 30 a sell side of 569 million, and the Mag 7 a buy side of 127 million.
Are we gonna get a triple ready up here? We got 2.
Speed of NQ on the 3. Speed of NQ76. Double delta RTY on the 4.
Two crosses. Are we going to get a 3 wise men?
Target filled. Target filled.
SCR into a butterfly on NQ. Got me target 1. Don't know if it's going to get any more than that.
Double delta EM on the 1.
Okay, there's a headshot. That is a super
Target
headshot.
filled.
Getting my targets filled here. I'm going to close it right there at 20 ticks to get me 32,000 off of the threes there on NQ. Boom. Split cross reversal was the original. Got a little nervous when the third one showed up in there inside the butterfly. Peeled it down for me. Got 15 and 20 ticks. Didn't hold out for the full 2025. But I got a 15 and a 20 off of that little play right there. Okay, 3 wise men. And to the short side, are we going to get down? Wow, we're going to get down and dirty. We're going all the way inside of the previous Titanic zone.
Double delta EM on the 1.
Oh, triple ready ups. Okay, and what's our time? It's lucky sevens time now, ladies and gents. It's lucky sevens. Now's where we just get lucky. We'll see. Oh, look, folks, we got somebody who doesn't pay attention. Mr. Robles, welcome aboard, noob. We also have to train the rotation to YM, no NQ, RTY. Dude, where have you been? Are you new? Do you know what's going on here? Is this your first day? Okay, bro. Make sure to deliver my Uber hot and on time. Thanks. Let's see. Rotation is not a term I use, so you're bringing your own nonsense into my room. Cool. Lots of ready ups here. So now, if it wasn't this time of day, what do we do with this normally, right? We draw a Titanic zone. In fact, I could literally move this one because this is fairly old, but they are doing the same thing they had before. That zone is now here. Yes. So high time frame comes in, shifts the boat, makes everybody think they're going to continue that direction, gets a trap, and then we pull back the other way, right? But this time of day, I don't know about that. Thank you for that, sir. And I'm happy to see you didn't get offended by what I said. You're a smart man. And he said hit the like button. Oh, this guy's smart. This guy's smart.
Double delta NQ on
He knows
3.
what's up. They're going to drop it all out.
Target filled. Target
Super AO, baby. Give me some more. Give me some more. 33,245. Can you say Super AO in the chat on the NQ3s? Super AO for me all day. How many is that? I should go back and count how many Super A's.
On the 2.
How many Super AOs I got?
Delta EM on the 4.
Super AO. Again, Super AO to the long side against what you felt. You felt the short, trapped them in. Boom. Here comes the Super AO. Says, I don't think so. We got a 15.2 with the ready up. That is a Super Alpha Omega to the long side. Get you some. You gotta love it. Candy day. Today, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. What's our time? 3:55. 5 minutes to the close. 33 Illuminati confirmed. Vinny's Illuminati. Oh my goodness. Illuminati confirmed. You know how Vinny's been out there exposing Illuminati crazy and telling everybody about that stuff? I think he's actually part of one of them. He's doing a psyop. Gotta love the Super AOs. Yeah, you do. You do. Most likely a candy week. You know, from a cadence perspective, if you figured bar by bar, if last week was hard, this week, if this turns out to be a cadence candy week, I'll take it. How about you? You know what I'm saying? I'll take it. They owe us for that last week. It was crazy. 5 days of AOC clustering every day. I mean, we pushed some big numbers last week. How many 5-figure days did I have last week? It was like 4 out of the 5 days had 5 figures last week. 17K yesterday, 33,000. If I go another 1K, or actually to get to 34K, I would be doubling what I did yesterday. I'm jinxing myself from saying that out loud. So now I'm literally feeling like I probably should not press the buttons at all. You know what I'm saying? Because if I botch it now, like, I'm really going to be pissed off. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, you shouldn't have said it. If you're going to do it, like, don't say it out loud, because now you're going to jinx yourself. You've basically, you know, boxed yourself in. There's no go for you now, because if you do, great, but if you don't, now you've totally wrecked yourself because you just said it. Like, don't say it.
DCDM RTY on the 4.
DCDM on RTY. Well, now RTY. Hadn't heard much from RTY today. RTY has been a snoozer. Okay, 2 minutes to the close. We do 34K if some magical play shows up here. Need a super AO is what I need. Somebody type super AO into chat so I can get a super AO lucky something. That'd be awesome. I am doing that math right. 17 times 2, 34. Pretty sure.
Double delta EM on the 2. Double delta EM on.
Oh, you know I want to take that. Oh, you know I want to take it. No, don't let me do it. Don't let me do it. 45 seconds to the close.
DCDM EM on the 2. DCDM RTY on the 4 on the 1.
Oh, you know I want to. You know I want to.
Double delta EM on the 1. DCDM.
Oh.
DCDM EM on the 1.
Oh, I want to press it. I want to press it right now. I'm going to do it. I'm going to go short. I don't think it's going to keep running.
Double delta.
I'm going to do it. Give me my 34K, bro. Triple cross, ready ups. Come on. Oh, you're going to keep running?
Speed of NQ66.
Drop it. Nah. No, she ain't gonna do it. All right, 33,000. Oh, wait, she's gonna go. She's gonna go.
Double delta EM on the.
Okay, I'm gonna go one more time. Come on. There's triple ready ups here. It's after hours. It probably doesn't mean anything. It probably doesn't mean anything. But come on. Come on. Just don't drop me less than 30. This is basically 30 and 33 is the same, but we could get 34 here. Triple ready ups. Cluster. Come on. And king timing. I know. Come on. I mean, that king timing could push it up like crazy too. So the way they're stalling it here means we could run. Ah, whatever. All right. 33, and we'll stick it. I did not double my winnings from yesterday. It wasn't into cards. She had too much fun today. Beautiful. Merry Christmas. So don't forget, the Christmas offer is expiring real soon. Yeah, until the 25th. There'll still be an end of the year offer, but it's going to be an extra $500. So you might want to grab that ahead of time. And don't forget, the Enigma was only available for 2024. On January 1st, it will no longer be included in the installer for future folks. If you've already got it, it's yours. Thanks for hanging out. For me, Pippi, Robbie, Lunchbox, Moscow, Curtis, G, and Eddie B, I'm sending out of H-Town. See ya! Art team, show the new folks how it's done.
The old adage where, the individual investor doesn't have a chance because the institutional investor has better technology, better information, and, more money and better opportunity, I don't think it's real anymore. I think the edge is on the individual investor because they're small, they're nimble, they can trade, they can use they have better front-end technology.
Double delta
Don't waste your
RTY
time.
on the 4.
Leave the technical analysis to us. You just play the game.
Fib.em on the 1.
Forex is littered with crooks, black hat guys, all this kind of shifty characters and companies trying to extract money from your pocket and stick it into theirs. And one of the things that they do is operate these Forex signals.
Delta 5 long, look for long, harmonic pattern. Pick up, one down on a crease. Order filled. Target filled.